Hello, Comets, or future Comets as the case may be. My name is Professor Daniel Zale, and I'm thrilled to introduce to you a transformative experience. My class is labeled in the Real Estate course section under Daniel Real 3365 and the Finance section under Daniel Fin 3365. The class is called Real Estate Finance and Principles, aka your gateway to analyzing commercial real estate investments. In this class, we're honing in on a specific skill set, that of a commercial real estate investment analyst. We'll delve deep into the responsibilities and expertise required to thrive in this role, where financial acumen meets strategic decision-making. In the industry, this translates into career positions such as appraiser, developer, broker, investment sales, lender, and many more. Some of you may have a background in real estate and some of you may not, but I can assure you that this course will translate in all aspects of your career, especially in the finance arena. Aspiring analysts and investors, get ready to master key competencies from market research and property valuation to financial modeling and investment strategy. I've crafted a curriculum that's tailored to equip you with the precise skills demanded in the competitive world of commercial real estate. My focus isn't just on theories, it's on practical applications. This class will immerse you in in-depth financial modeling, a cornerstone of any analyst toolkit. Through hands-on exercises, you'll learn to construct models that analyze risk, assess returns, and inform investment decisions. Case studies will be your classroom. Real-world scenarios will be your textbooks. Analyzing actual commercial real estate deals, you'll apply your learning to situations mirroring those faced by investment analysts every day. This class is your training ground for the challenges that lie ahead. To enrich your understanding, I've arranged sessions with seasoned commercial real estate investment professionals, many of whom share my CCIM designation. They'll share their experiences, insights, and the nuances of the profession, providing you with valuable perspectives that go beyond the classroom. And it's not uncommon for real-life job opportunities to spring from these interactions. I encourage you to leverage my 20 years worth of industry connections to help you advance your career, but you must show the initiative. And this class doesn't stop at just knowledge. I'll empower you to showcase your new skills. A key highlight of this class is the opportunity to craft your analyst portfolio. Your portfolio won't just be a compilation of assignments. It'll be tangible and a representation of your analytical prowess, ready to impress prospective employers. So if you're ready to chart your course in real estate, you're in the right place. Welcome to a class where your skill set is not just a requirement, it's your passport to success in the dynamic world of commercial real estate. Let's embark on this journey together, building the expertise that will set you apart in the field. Welcome to a class that's not just about learning, it's about becoming. Thank you.